Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will introduce you to a nice design tool called Lottie files. Now what is Lottie files? Lottie files is a JSON based animation file. So it's basically an animation file that you can integrate in your Android apps, like the one you see in the website, in their home page. So it's a JSON file, so it is very small, so it will not take much resources on the device. So how to integrate it in our project? Now, first of all, you need to go to discover and free animations to discover what animations we want. So here you can either search or you can navigate or browse between them. So let's say that we want this animation. So what we can do here, this are the properties of it. We can either make it faster or keep it at the default speed rate. We can change the the background color, and here we can learn how to include this animation file in various projects, like in the website and Android, iOS, or WordPress. So let's click on Android to learn or to see what dependencies and what we need to do before integrating the animation files in our project. So first of all, we need to include this dependency. So just copy it and head to Android Studio and go to the building Gradle app level, and here you should paste the dependency we copied here to download the various dependencies needed by this tool. When you finished, you can now go to the file and just click download the Lottie JSON file to include it in our app. Just download it. I already downloaded it, so I will not re-download it again. And I want to highlight one more thing. When such things are free and you want to include it in your app, just let the designer who made it that made it to know that you have used it and you are happy with it. So just make a comment: thanks, I have included it in my Android app. Just a note that the designer know that his project was helpful to someone. Now you can download it. When you download it, just head to Android Studio, collapse this Gradle files, and now you need to import it to your app. Just create a raw Android resource directory. So change it from values to raw, because the Lottie file should be inside a raw Android resource directory. And now you just need to copy this downloaded Lottie files to your Android resource directory. And here it is. Absolutely, you can't read anything in this JSON file, and don't try to. Now, how to integrate it in your app? Now you can go to Android XML layout. Just type Lottie. It will pop up. Make the width match parent. Wrap content for the height. And now let's constrain it. Top to top of parent. Bottom to bottom of parent. And start to start of parent, and end to end of parent. And now let's give it an ID. Let's type Lottie animation. All right. Now how to define the file that we have downloaded? Just type Lottie raw resource and now give it the file, which is the first one they pop it to us. And now this view has some useful properties, such as we want to make it autoplay to true, and we want to make it a loop. So whatever it has been finished, so restart again. And now actually we can test it. Waiting for Gradle to build our project. All right, Gradle finished. All right, and here it is. Here is our animation that we have downloaded. Just simple as that. Just include the dependency and include the view and the XML layout. Now, what if we want to change the properties from the code? What should we do? It's easy implementation. We can put with, and here we can, or we should actually include the ID of the Lottie file. So here we type find UID. It's of type Lottie animation view, and here we type the ID which is Lottie anim. And here this for those who don't know what is with is a scope function. So actually in this code block we have all the properties of this Lottie animation view. So we can play, we can pause, we can set the maximum and minimum frame of this animation. So now what we can do here, if you want, we can pause animation, so it will not display. So let's test it. All right. And as you see, the animation is not playing because on create, which is the life cycle, after on start, it has been called. So we will not see that the animation is playing because we are pausing the animation. So this is useful if you want, when we click the unclick on button, when we click it, so we can make it pause. And there is another function which is play animation. This will not will play the animation, but we already make it to autoplay when the view is created. All right, and we have a second useful function, which is set minimum and maximum progress. So this, if you want to not include some progress of this animation file, because this JSON based animation file have progress that means 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 till 1. So here, if we want, we can start it from, or the minimum indicated to 0.3, and the end we can, if we put it to 2F, Android Studio will highlight it as an error because it must be between 0 and 1.0, nothing greater than 1. So here we can make it 0.7. So this animation file will play from the 0.3 progress till 0.7 progress. And here, if we test it, As you can see here, you will not notice it, but if you have such a complex animation, which is complex, so you will notice it. So here what we are doing, we are cutting the animation. We are not including all of the animation progress. Okay, and by that we have uh, discovered what is Lottie files, how to integrate it by XML and by code. So that's it. Enjoy and goodbye.